video is on how to add music to a PowerPoint presentation. Right now, if I put this in presentation mode, you can see I don't have any music. But for my class, it's required to add music. The music must start on the first slide. It must start automatically and last the duration of the presentation. So let me show you how to do that. You're going to go up to Insert, choose Audio. I'm going to choose Audio from my PC. Find your music and tell it to Insert. I'm going to go ahead and just move this so it's out of the way. Once I clicked on this, I did get playback as an option, but if I click off, it goes away. So to get that back, if you double click, you get the option again. So I'm going to go to playback. Now, I'd like that graphic to hide during the presentation. I'd like it to start automatically so I don't have to click to get it to start. And I want it to play across the slides. So all that means it's going to start on the first slide. It's going to start automatically, and it's going to play as long as the music lasts. Now this is a long song, so it's going to be fine. However, if you have a short song, then click Loop until stopped. Alright, so then if you put it in presentation mode, your music will start automatically. Please email me at learn@vegetarianhomeschooler.com if you have questions.